Here's a mouse I got on sale. It's a gaming mouse, as you can see, because there's a picture of a game on it. And it has a blue scroll wheel. And yeah, this was $3 or 4, 3.5. The structure resembles a Logitech design. It uses one battery, and here's the receiver. Let's take it out, and I want to take it apart because they advertise it has a very silent click. Let me show you. Yes, it's very silent. Oh boy, there's writing inside. I didn't even notice this. Made in China, trust. One battery. Okay. So yeah, I want to see what buttons they used. Because they used crappy buttons in here. If they used crappy ones, then that's why it was on sale. But yeah, I want to find out. Usually all mice use the same mechanical button, or that clicky button. I mean switch, clicky switch. So let's see, I'm curious what's inside. Because this is a relatively good brand here in Europe, the Trust brand. I don't really trust it, but that's what it's called. So let's see. The optics are standard. And oh boy, they used some weird... What is that? Some very weird silent... And it does sound like metallic contacts. That's good. That's good. Okay. I'm impressed. It's not a membrane stuff. Not like a keyboard and... Okay. So I think I will take one apart when... or I look it up online. Maybe I'll take one apart to see. Oh, and this one is a standard switch. Yeah. Okay. 1600 dpi. And here's the model number. Yeah. So, those are the switches they used. Mechanical, but very silent.